Good morning, everyone. Beth here from CornerPiece Studio. I want to say welcome back if you're a returning subscriber, and if you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, welcome. I'm thrilled to have you here at CornerPiece Studio. I do all sorts of different creative projects. I create journals, I paint, I make all sorts of ephemera, all kinds of different things. So please return and see the different things that I do. Today I wanted to present to you an interesting challenge. We all say, I don't have time to do anything. You'd be amazed at what you can do in 5 minutes. Many years ago, I did a 5-minute a day challenge, and I was surprised on what I did get done. You start for 5 minutes and you realize you have a little bit more, and you just end up keep going. You do 5 minutes and you get a lot done in the 5 minutes. Whether you're fussy cutting, whether you're harvesting, whether you're making master boards, whether you're creating a journal, working on pages in a journal, creating ephemera for the journal. It's amazing. One day you might start by doing the master board. The next day you're adding some more layers to the master board. And eventually, in maybe day 4 or so, day 5, you're cutting it up and you have pieces for ETCs, for your journals. You have tags, you have postcards. It's amazing the different things that you can get done in 5 minutes. So see if you can give yourself a gift of maybe 5 minutes a day or 5 minutes every other day, and see what you can create. So here's my poster. It says hashtag create 5 minutes a day challenge. So when you post things, you can post to Instagram. You can tag me at Beth Loves Art on Instagram, or I created a Facebook page, Beth Loves Art, and you can post your creations there. So let's read. It says, join me in creating anything for 5 minutes a day. You can play in your junk journals, altered books, art journals, create ephemera, glue books, anything you like to do. Maybe you're a sculptor. Maybe you like to play with clay. Maybe you are a jewelry maker with beads. Anything. Just create for 5 minutes. You can share your pics on Instagram using hashtag 5 minutes a day challenge and tag me at Beth_loves art. Make sure that underscore goes in there, please. I look forward to seeing what you do create. Have fun. There's no pressure. There's no rules. Whatever comes from your heart. And you can also tag me on Facebook at Beth Loves Art. Excuse me, just a little sleepy yet. So we're going to do this. This will be fun. Let's see what we can get done. Today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine 2 things into one. I'm going to show you how to remove a book block, and in turn, I'm going to use the shell of this book to create a journal. Let's see how long it takes for me to go from shelling a book to getting my signatures in and decorating the cover. I just want to see how many 5 minutes that will take. And actually what I'll do is I will keep track of it here on a little notepad. So hashtag create 5 minutes a day challenge. So I'm going to do the journal. You don't need to do a journal. I'm just doing this because I'm going to use this journal with this 5 minute a day challenge. I will create on the pages. I will create things to go in it. Maybe I'll write for 5 minutes. Anything, doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep tally marks. So here's day 1. That's day 1, right here is day 1. There we are. So my thing, I'm going to just start my timer. Let's see. I'm going to start my timer. I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. And I'm going to go from there. Okay, what I want to do is I'm going to move that out of the sight here so it doesn't distract all of us. I'm going to take the pages out of this book. This book was a freebie, and it was going to end up going to the book chomper to be recycled. The thing that caught me is this man is on a journey. I'm on a journey. We're all on some sort of a journey. I want to see where this journey is going to take me. So I did talk in other videos about showing how to remove a book block and what to do with the book block. Today I'm going to remove the book block, and then I'm going to use it in another video about what you can create with a book block. Okay, so first things first, you want to make sure my spine is intact. It's pretty good. It's got a couple rough edges here and there, but what I'm going to do once I get my signatures in, well, before I put my signatures in, I'm going to make that a little more sturdy from the inside. And then once my signatures are in, I'm going to cover the spine to make it a hidden spine, so you don't see my sewing on the outside, and just to decorate it a little bit. But I really, really like this. The man is on a journey. Okay, what I do when I gut a book is I open the book and I stand it up. And you see how it has the space? You want to be able to have that nice space. Now see how the pages are coming here? See how it's separating back? I'm going to separate back to that spot because that's going to make it a little easier for me to cut the spine out on this side. Now I'm using an X-Acto knife, a craft knife, excuse me. I'm using a small blade because I don't want it to be too long, because what will happen is it will end up cutting through on the spine, and I don't want that to happen. If it does happen, we fix it. No big deal. It's just I don't want it to happen if I can help it. So you're going to go in, you're going to pull it and separate it a little bit. Then you're going to take your knife and just go in just a little bit and draw down on it. There we go. And then I put my finger in to help pull this apart. Whoops, my spine broke. I have to fix it. It's a fragile book. It's a fragile book. It is from 1955, so it is a fragile book. And so you just draw down gently a couple times, and you do see that it's starting to separate. It just keeps separating a little bit. This side is the hardest side. Once you get this side out, oh, my knife is loose. I've got another minute to go, and then my 5 will be up. So let's pull it out. There we go. There it comes. There's many layers in here as far as how they used to put books together. There we go. All right, my spine is out. There we go. This side is out. There we go. See? There it's out. I did cut it a little bit, but that can be fixed easily. Like I said, I'm going to be I'm going to be covering that spine anyway because I knew it was fragile. All right, so now I folded the other side back, and I am just bringing my blade down just to get that broken off, to get that paper. Just do it real lightly. Here it comes. See, there it comes. That's separated. Now I just have a little piece of paper left here that I'm going to drag down, and it's out. It's out. And we are maybe 10 seconds away from timer. So I'm going to, here's the book block. I'm going to put that aside. I will be using some things from this book as pages in here, as ephemera and stuff. There we go. Nicely done. So in 5 minutes, I got my project started. Yeah, let's see, talking for you. I've got my cover for my journal. And yes, it did come apart a little bit, but when I reinforce inside, that'll take care of that. And then I will be covering the outside too. So for now, there's my cover. There's my book block. And here, one more time, is hashtag create 5 minutes a day challenge. Welcome to it. I'm excited to see what you all are doing, and we'll follow along with my challenge, what I'm planning to do. Other days I might not even do this. I might just paint. Whatever moves you to do on that day. So folks, thank you. Welcome. And I will see you tomorrow. Take care now. Bye.